Looking at foam rolling and how it acts, according to Webelhow et al. In 2019, various mechanisms have been postulated about the positive effects of foam rolling on flexibility and recovery. Let's have a look at what the authors comment about. Looking at the mechanical properties, it's been claimed that they do help to reduce the adhesion and the stiffness by altering the viscoelastic property of the fascia. However, the pressure which is required to deform a tissue is greater than the actual range which is observed by foam rolling. Therefore, this point is ruled out. There are also claims that foam rolling causes tropic response over the fascia and soft tissue, which basically means that the fascia responds better to pressure and which causes the changes in viscosity. Again, this effect is short-lived and the fascia reverts back to the original tension as soon as the pressure is released. Looking at physiological properties, there have been claims that it helps to reduce the trigger points. They break the trigger points and reduces the spasm and thereby improves the muscle contraction along with the poor internal resistance. Again, this claim has been commented as being highly speculative and lacks concrete evidence. Poor evidence has also been noted with regards to increased parasympathetic blood flow and the stimulation of Golgi tendon organs, as well as and therefore more high quality research is required. The authors feel that foam rolling effects may be due to the neurological properties, which is mainly due to the modulation of the pain response. Physiologically as well, there has been found that there is a release of opioids post foam rolling in animal studies. This may help to improve the flexibility of muscles. The authors also felt that psychological effects of the alleviation of perceived pain and soreness following foam rolling does play an important role in improving the flexibility and performance post foam rolling. Another clinical aspect which has been ignored, according to the authors, is that when you do foam rolling, you have to support yourself isometrically over your upper body in most of the times in plank position. Again, this may improve the blood flow and help to promote mobility and flexibility. To sum it up, all the factors have been summed up in this chart. Thank you.